The film grain filter, included in NewBlue FX's Filters 5 Ultimate collection, is one of the most versatile and authentic film grain plugins on the market. Unlike digitally generated noise patterns, film grain uses a custom-designed overlay complete with realistic imperfections for a true-to-life look you can't get anywhere else. To add film grain to your project, start by dragging it from the effects library onto your footage. As with any other NewBlue FX plugin, you can select from a list of pre-made looks from the presets dropdown. This will give you a good idea of what the plugin is capable of, but today we're going to be starting from scratch, so we'll select Reset to None. The first option you will see is the Denoise slider. The Denoise slider removes any existing noise in your footage, so that once the film grain is applied, you'll have a much more natural look with no digital artifacts. The next thing you'll want to do is raise the Mix slider. This operates as the opacity for the film grain plugin. You may not want to leave it at 100% when you're done, but it's a good idea to start there to get a better idea of what you're working with. In fact, we'll be leaving all of our settings on their highest value until the end of the video, so you can get a good idea of their otherwise very subtle effects. The Blend Mode dropdown allows you to choose how your film grain blends with your footage. You can achieve a variety of different looks with these options, but keeping it on overlay looks best for this clip. The Intensity slider controls how grainy the footage becomes, and the Size slider controls the size of the grains. Turn both options all the way down to get a much more subtle, almost subconscious film grain effect, and all the way up to get a very emulsified, harsh look. Finally, the Balance slider controls whether the grain has a greater effect in the shadows or highlights. You'll notice as we turn it all the way down, the left side, the darker side of our character's face becomes extremely grainy, and as we turn it up, the effect shifts from the dark side to the light side. Not only does the Balance slider allow you to mimic the effects of positive versus negative film, but it gives you control over exactly what areas of the screen you want to add or remove grain from. Most of the time, a slight adjustment to this slider is all you need to get a great look. By keeping our intensity and size relatively low, with a balance that slightly favors shadows, we're able to quickly give this footage an authentic, vintage feel without washing out or losing any details in our character's face. Film grain is just one of the many plugins included in the Filters 5 Ultimate collection. With over 25 versatile coloring tools and hundreds of preset looks, Filters 5 Ultimate makes it easy to improve the quality of your footage. To learn more, visit newbluefx.com/filters today.